Hello kids, let's match some alphabet. Here you can see I have so many alphabets, so let's match all the alphabet. First of all, I want to match capital letter, then I will match lowercase letter. So let's get started. First one is A. Let's find the A. Where is A? This is A. A will be here. And second one is B. Let's find out C. No, it's lowercase letter. I want capital letter. C. Let's find D. This is D. And now E. E. Let's find F. Where is F? F. Where is F? F. G. This is G. Ace. Ace. I. J. J. K. K. Where is K? K. L. M. It's M. N. O. No, it's lowercase. I want capital letter. O. P. Q. Q. R. Where is R? R. S. T. Where is T? T. U. Let's find U. U. V. V. W. X. Y. Y. And last one is Z. It's done. Now let's match the lowercase letter. First one is A. Second one is B. You can make it D. Also it will be P like this, and also it will be Q like this. So it's first one is B. Now let's find C. C. D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So it's done. Now that's for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. And also you can subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.